Hi, my name is Alex, and in this video we'll discuss the topic of experiment tracking and model registration when you're running your training of your reinforcement learning policies. So we're looking at weights and biases dashboard, and as you can see, you can register your models as artifacts in here, also register your data sets. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna log in into the instance of a job that is currently running reinforcement learning policy training for dexterous shadow hand in the cloud using NVIDIA L4 GPU. And then I already installed the virtual environment in that environment just for the sake of this small illustration. And we'll log in there and we'll track the experiment, as well as register one of the models that is one of the checkpoints that is currently being trained. So all of this is using IsaacLab container as a baseline container. As you can see right here, IsaacLab 2.1.0. Let's dive in. All right, let's see inside of the container. So we're running the IsaacLab container, and let's see what's being trained here. So we training with RSLRL. So we'll just do the logs directory. Inside of the logs directory, we have RSLRL. Then we have shadow hand. Then we have a login directory. And then here we go with the current latest checkpoint is 9500. So let's just go to this level. I already installed the virtual environment with the pip install WANDB for weights and biases. We'll activate the virtual environment here. We'll go into Python. And then here we will do a basic procedure with using weights and biases with the Python SDK. So I'm going to import weights and biases. Then I'm going to do login. And I've already logged in, so it remembers me. Then we're going to do init project shadow hand. Perfect. And technically I already have that project in weights and biases portal. And then we're gonna do the save. And this is where you specify the full path to the model. And I'm going to do workspace IsaacLab logs RSLRL shadow hand. $25, 7, 10, score 16, 18, 47. And then we have the model, which is the model 9500 PT. All right. So we got the model. And then after this, we can just simply exit. It's waiting for the weights and biases to finish the process. And here we go. Now let's switch gears to weights and biases portal. And we have our projects, and we have a shadow hand project, which is right here. If I open this up, you'll see that we have 2 projects, and we have these outputs files, and as you can see, there is a model 9500 PT PyTorch checkpoint for the model that is being trained, which was logged inside of weights and biases portal. Thank you.